Here is a two-part logical reasoning question from the KAS 2024 paper. Let us read it carefully, word for word. A wealthy merchant had once come to meet Tenali Rama with the following problem. She wanted to distribute her property equally among her two daughters, Arya and Sita, and one son, Sonu. She has 7,000 rupees in form of farm produce, one house worth 5,000, three parcels of land of 3,000 each, and some gold coins of 100 each. A single unit of gold coin, single parcel of land, and a house cannot be divided partially. Also, each child receives an equal number of gold coins. Arya receives least from farm produce, while Sita receives the highest when Tenali Rama divides the property. Now there are two questions on this. Question 1, how much did Sonu receive in farm produce? And question 2, how many parcels of land did Arya receive? Now let us solve this slowly and very carefully. The most important rule is this. We will not name any child until we are completely sure. We have 3 children. The clue tells us that Arya gets the least farm produce and Sita gets the most. But we cannot say who is who yet. So for now, let us work only with what each child holds. What is there to give? Farm produce worth 7,000, one house worth 5,000, and 3 parcels of land, each worth 3,000. She also has some gold coins, but we are not told how many, and they are shared equally. So they do not change our answer. Let us set them aside. Now, each child must get exactly 7,000. And notice only the farm produce can be divided. The house and the parcels cannot be cut. So think about the house. Whoever gets the house already has 5,000. A parcel is 3,000. 5 plus 3 is 8,000, which is too much. So the house child gets no parcel of land. That leaves 3 parcels for the other 2 children. One child cannot hold all 3, that would be 9,000. So one child gets 2 parcels and the other gets just 1. Good. So we have 3 children only by what they hold. One with 2 parcels, one with 1 parcel, and one with the house. Let us now find each child's farm produce one by one. Take the first child with 2 parcels of land. 2 parcels is 6,000. To reach 7,000, this child needs 1,000 more. The farm has 7,000. So let us split it. 6,000 stays and 1,000 comes out. We move this 1,000 across to the first child. 6,000 plus 1,000 makes 7,000. So this child is complete with 1,000 from the farm. Take the second child with 1 parcel of land. 1 parcel is 3,000. To reach 7,000, this child needs 4,000 more. The farm now has 6,000. So let us split it. 2,000 stays and 4,000 comes out. We move this 4,000 across. 3,000 plus 4,000 makes 7,000. So this child is complete with 4,000 from the farm. Now the third child with a house, 5,000. To reach 7,000, this child needs 2,000 more. The farm has 2,000 left and all of it goes to this child. 5,000 plus 2,000 makes 7,000, complete with 2,000 from the farm. Now at last we have the full picture. The 3 farm shares are 1,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Let us line them up. 1,000 is the least. 4,000 is the most. Now and only now we use the clue. Arya gets the least. The least is 1,000. So Arya is the child with 2 parcels of land. Sita gets the most. The most is 4,000. So Sita is the child with 1 parcel of land. And the only child left, the one with the house, and 2,000 from the farm, must be Sonu. So both our answers. Sonu received 2,000 rupees in farm produce. And Arya received 2 parcels of land.